Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax Greenville. Today I'm standing in front of a 2025 Bennington 23 RSB. This boat is our swingback floor plan. It is a tritoon with our elliptical sport tritoon package. It's a 32-inch center oval tune powered by a 300 horsepower Mercury V8 with digital throttle controls. This is one of my absolute favorite riding boats that we sell. It does everything really spectacular, very comfortable, smooth and crisp as well. Everybody we've ever taken one on has just been super pleased. This is a black paneling color, but this is their new black. It's Gemini black. It's got a little bit of metallic in it. Not too much, just enough to make it look very rich and classy. It has the platinum grano woven vinyl flooring. It has the platinum interior as well. Come around to the back, let me show you some more features that stand out on this model. All right, thanks for coming to the back with me. A lot going on back here. We have our 300 horsepower Mercury V8. We have our swingback seat with rear lighted speaker grille and rear firing speakers, and also a transom remote so you can comfortably listen to your music in the back here of the boat. This has the extended swim platform, so there's plenty of room to maneuver around, and comes with the lily pad ladder that's spring assisted, so it makes opening and closing it very easy. It has really extra large treads on it to get in and out of the boat easily as well. Let's finish up inside, come on. All right, here we are inside the boat. Like I was saying, this has our platinum interior. This is Simtex woven vinyl fabric with a carbon accent with a diamond stitch pattern in it. Very comfortable seating. We have flip down armrests at each one of the lounger backs, adjustable headrests at each one of the lounger backs as well. USB chargers located throughout the boat. Rockford Fosgate stereo system. A wireless charger tucked into the cubby over here. This boat does have our RBG light package as well. The console is one of the newest features that stands out most prominently on this boat. This has our all-new console with Vivid Dash. A lot going on with the Vivid Dash. Let me tilt the steering wheel down to give you guys a better view. We have a 12-inch digital screen up here on the top that gives you all of your boat's running and data information. We have a 7-inch touchscreen for all your boat's controls. Everything from your lights, to your RBG light package, to your floor accent lighting, to your navigation lights, to your radio controls, all done right through this touchscreen. And you also have a quick volume knob to get to that fast as well. And then we have a 9-inch Simrad off to the side for your chart plotter. That's also NEMA connected to your motor, so it will display all pertinent motor information as well. They tuck the wireless charger in underneath the dash so it can charge your phone out of the sun. We got 2 cup holders located underneath the throttle binnacle. And like I was saying before, this is your digital throttle with active trim as well. If you haven't driven a boat with active trim, it's spectacular. It takes a lot of the work and confusion out of trimming the motor to the proper angle for your riding conditions. And they also have another little cubby glove box that's lockable tucked in behind this cup holder too, which is a nice little feature if you're gonna get your phone or your sunglasses tucked away while you go into the restaurant. This is a removable trapezoid table, so you can stow this out of the way. Very easy to take in and out. Another lounger back here. And then this is our swingback seat. This is the deluxe version of the swingback seat, so it does a lot of different features. So obviously right now we're facing inward. We can flip our seat lounger back to be able to face rearward. This will also stow to make this a complete flat surface for laying out, or you can pop up our backrest to face internally inside the boat as well. Like I said, this is the deluxe option of the swingback, very versatile. We hope you can come see this boat in person, or even better yet, take it for a test drive and you'll be sold. Come and see us at MarineMax Greenville. Thank you.